Hello and welcome to Runman Records Design. Today we show you garden and backyard, beautiful outdoor kitchen and gazebo. Bon appetit everyone and enjoy watching! Outdoor kitchens provide a wonderful extension to your home, allowing you to cook, dine and entertain outdoors. They create a welcoming atmosphere for socializing and can significantly increase the value of your property. Before diving into the design process, there are a few crucial factors to consider. First, assess the available space in your backyard and determine the best location for your outdoor kitchen or gazebo. Next, establish a budget that aligns with your goals and priorities. Lastly, think about the intended use of your outdoor kitchen and gazebo to ensure the design meets your specific needs. Materials and surfaces for outdoor kitchen countertops and cabinets. Choosing the right materials for your countertops and cabinets is essential for both aesthetic and durability. Opt for weather-resistant materials such as stainless steel, granite, concrete, or natural stone. Additionally, consider using durable, moisture-resistant wood or marine-grade polymer cabinets to withstand the elements. Privacy and shade are essential aspects of gazebo design. Consider using drapes, curtains, or screens to create a more intimate and secluded space. Additionally, install retractable shades or coverings to provide relief from the sun whenever needed. Choosing the right grill and cooking equipment. Selecting the right grill and cooking equipment is essential for your outdoor cooking adventures. Consider factors such as size, fuel type, gas or electric. Choose equipment that suits your cooking preference and style. Adding storage solutions to keep your outdoor kitchen organized. To keep your outdoor kitchen organized and tidy, incorporate ample storage solutions. Install cabinets, shelves, and drawers that are weather resistant and designed specifically for outdoor use. This allows you to keep your cooking utensils, ingredients, and other essentials within easy reach. Rustic style kitchen and gazebo. Use natural materials like wood and stone to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Incorporate a fireplace or a wood-fired pizza oven to bring in that cozy cabin feel. Add some comfortable seating and string lights for an enhancing ambience that will make you feel like you're in a mountain lodge. Optimizing storage solutions for limited space. Storage is often a challenge in outdoor kitchens, especially when space is limited. Increase storage capacity by utilizing vertical space with shelves or hanging racks. Invest in weather-resistant storage cabinets or drawers to keep your cooking utensils, tools, and supplies organized and protected from the elements. Consider built-in storage options like hidden compartments or pull-out cabinets. With clever storage solutions, you can keep your outdoor kitchen tidy and functional. Tropical paradise, creating a beach-themed outdoor kitchen and gazebo. Turn your backyard into a tropical getaway with a beach-themed outdoor kitchen and gazebo. Think vibrant colors, bamboo accents, and tiki-inspired decor. Add a thatched roof to your gazebo and incorporate elements like tropical plants and a built-in bar for a truly immersive experience. Don't forget to include some beach music and a hammock to complete the laid-back vibe. Thank you for watching, friends. If you liked his ideas, share with your friends. Have a nice day and a great evening, everyone. You watched my channel Runman Records Design.